guys.
Trouble comes my way. But whatever
Yung spot namin sa Alimango. Tsaka Lukan
for this day.
Dun sa area na yun.
When I'm feeling trouble, lift my hands and pray that you will be there in the rain or sun.
Okay, nandito na tayo guys. Nakarating na tayo.
I don't want to add to my and mighty, cause tomorrow I'll be fall down on my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain.
May soft drinks po, malipat. Ano, no?
It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy,
Sige, dua.
thank you for
Ano siya ito? Coke o Royal?
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Saka isang Royal po. Sige, paki-plastic na lang.
I'm blessing that we share what thank you Lord for food we eat. For all the friends we meet, I thank you Lord for love it.
Si Uncle, oh. Dahil duman sa palayan guys, sa gitna.
I thank you Lord that you are good when I'm scared. I thank you Lord for every day.
Si Otoy wala pa.
I thank you Lord that you are staying.
Lapit tayo sa bahay
I
guys.
thank you Lord for guiding. And then I thank you for the blessing. Because no one cannot do my and mighty. Cause tomorrow I'll be fall down on my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Okay guys, nakaka-relax dito sa probinsya natin.
Ganito.
Okay, magkano sa ganito? 20 pesos isa. Ito, 20 pesos din. Ano bang random?
Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy.
May pala
If, meron din pala. Bakit mo sa ba?
Ube.
Sige.
It's a beautiful day.
Ay, si Berel. Ay,
Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain.
ito na yung kanatulog sa warang ba?
Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day.
Sana mabenta ka ng paninda mo ha.
It's a beautiful day. I thank you for
Galing pang
sunshine.
maramba yung ano guys, yung tinapay. Lakad lang yung ano niya.
For joy.
Wala siyang service. Ang layo ng nilalakad niya, magbenta lang ng tinapay dito sa Barangay Apud.
It's a beautiful day.